Isaiah 41 verse 10 says, "So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am the Lord your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you, I will uphold you with my righteous hand." When we believe that God is with us, we can have confidence that no matter what we might face, no matter what challenges or difficulties or opposition or enemies or battles that we face, that when we know that God is with us in those things, it can give us the confidence, it gives us the assurance that come hell or high water, that my God is with me, my God goes before me. He's parting the sea so I can walk through on dry ground. He's making a way where there appears to be no way. He's working behind the scenes, and if we would just have faith and keep moving forward, if we would just have trust in Him and keep putting one foot in front of the next, that we would discover that at the end of that road, that we would look back and see God moved powerfully and mightily on our behalf. Keep walking in faith and do not fear, for He is with you.